Austin, what are we going to draw today?
A puppy sack.
Today we're making another folding surprise. That's what we're going to call these projects from now on. Folding surprise.
Yeah.
Do you like the name? Mm-hmm. We hope our art friends like it too.
Yeah, because it's a surprise inside it.
You'll need a marker, some paper, and
Something to color with.
something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
First step, we're going to take the top of our paper and we're going to fold it down to the bottom edge. Do you want to do it? Same time I'm doing it? We're going to line it up down here at the bottom. I can also help you if you need help. And then we put our fingers right down the middle and then crease out to the corners. There you go. Oh, you did it. Look, okay, right down the middle. Like that. And then out to the edges. Yeah, make sure it's nice and crispy.
It's crispy toast.
Then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it up to the middle like this. I like repeating all these same steps. We've done these before, haven't we? We've made a monster, we've done a pumpkin, and we've also done ice cream and cake. You guys will have to check out those lessons too. They're fun. Right down the middle and then out to the edges. You did it. Our folding's all done. We're going to use a scratch piece of paper to put underneath our folding so that when we draw with our markers, it doesn't soak through and get onto our table. We're using red paper to help our art friends so that they can see our drawing better. Let's first start by drawing our puppy's nose, and we're going to draw above this fold. So we're going to draw a little V right here in the middle of our paper. Little V, yes, that's a good spot. Then we're going to connect the top. There's our puppy's nose. It's an upside down triangle, and then we're going to color it in. Then we're going to draw his mouth. We're going to draw a U and a U, one on each side. Or a J and a backwards J. Then we're going to draw another U for his tongue. Then we could draw a little line that comes down the middle. Yeah, there's our puppy's face. Now let's draw his first eye. We're going to draw a circle over here. And we're going to draw the same size circle over here on the left side. Yeah, one on the other side. Next, let's draw a smaller circle inside on the top right. This is for the highlight to make our puppy's eyes look shiny. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Next, let's draw our puppy's chin. We're going to start over here next to the eye, and we're going to draw. It goes underneath the fold onto the bottom piece, and we're going to keep going all the way over to the other side. So part of the chin is we'll start here, go underneath, and then back up over here on the other side. A big U. So half of his face is down on the bottom part, and half of it is up on top. There you go. Oh, your puppy's looking awesome. Now on each side, we're going to do a little line that comes in on each side. Yeah. Then we're going to do our ears next. We're going to draw a line that comes up like this and then back down. It looks like the letter A. So we'll start right here, go up and then back down. Yeah. And then do the same thing on the other side. And we want that A shape to be about the same size so that his ears look the same on each side. And then back down. And then let's connect them right in the middle. Now let's draw the inside of his ear. We're going to draw another A shape inside, a smaller one on both sides. Then let's connect the bottom with a zigzag on each side, and this is for his little fur inside his ears. Now the first puppy we're drawing is a husky, so let's draw the markings on his face. We'll draw a little curve that goes over his nose first. Yep. And then we're going to draw another curve that goes over the eye and connects to that line in the middle. So start right here on his cheek, go over the eye, and that's okay if you touch the ear, and then connect right there on his nose. Yeah. Good job. And then we're going to repeat that same step on the other side. Go over his eye and then connect to his cheek. We did it. There's our husky's face. It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Now let's draw his body underneath his chin. We're going to draw two U's for his front paws. So we're going to start right here. We're going to draw a little U right here and another U on the other side. There's his two little paws. He's a puppy. So we can start right here and draw a U and then another one on the other side. You think his paws look funny?
Yeah.
We're trying to make him look cute. All right, now we can draw the little toes. So draw two little lines on each paw. Next, let's draw his body. We're going to draw a line that comes down on the side like this on each side. But we don't want to go past his paws. So we're going to start right here, draw a line down, and over here, draw a line down. Yep, and one on the other side. Then we're going to draw his back feet. We're going to draw a sideways U on each side, like that. He's sitting down on his back legs. So we're going to draw a U that comes like that and connects. Yep, and one on the other side. And then let's draw a line right in the middle, in between his front paws. And then let's add those two toe lines on each foot. Now, if we go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video if you need extra time to finish a step. Let's draw his tail. We're going to draw over here on the side. We'll draw a line that comes out diagonal right here. Then we're going to curve back around and connect into his body. Let's add a few more lines to his body. We're going to draw a zigzag line that connects down to his paw on both sides. Yep. And on the other side, connect right to there and there. Yeah. And then on his back foot, let's draw a line across his ankle. And we finished our husky. He looks really cool, doesn't he?
Yeah.
We're ready to open up our drawing.
His body's always down here.
Yeah, his body's down at the bottom and his head's up here on the ceiling. That's one tall puppy.
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw another puppy down here at the bottom. We're going to turn this one into a border collie. So we're first going to draw his face up here, but we want to make sure that we don't draw it below onto his chin. You see this line right here on his chin?
Yeah.
We want to make sure that our face is above that. So we're going to draw another triangle up here so we can draw it right here. And this is for our border collie's nose. We're going to connect the top. We're going to repeat a lot of the same steps, color it in. Then we're going to draw that J, backwards J, or U, and then a tongue. Make sure you don't go too far down because we want to make sure that when we fold it back up, it's underneath that fold. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So we're drawing everything above the chin. Okay, now we can draw a little line down the tongue. You already did that. Then I'm going to draw another eye right here and another eye over here. Now I'm going to keep going. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle in the top right for the highlight and then color in the big circle. And remember to pause the video if we go too fast. Next, let's draw his cheeks. We're going to draw a small little V right here, a sideways V on each cheek. Oh, I like that. You went in. There you go. Then we can go back. We're going to go out for a bigger V. So come right here, go out, and then back in. We'll do the same thing on the other side. This is to make our border collie look a little fluffy. Now we're going to add one more small little V at the top. This is for his fuzzy little cheeks. A small little V, go out, back in. Yep. And then the same thing on the other side. Man, you did a great job on those cheeks, and those are a little difficult. Now we're going to draw his ears. We're going to draw another A shape, kind of like we did for the husky. And we'll draw an A shape over here that's the same size. So this is for his ears. Kind of looks like a fox.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like how you say yeah. Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
You.
Then let's connect the ears. We're going to draw another curve in between. And connect the two ears. Then let's draw the inside ears a lot like we did for the husky. So we're going to draw a small A inside on both ears. I like repeating the same steps too because that lets us practice. Then we're going to draw a zigzag line for the fur inside his ears to connect the bottom. Now border collies have a really cool texture on their face too. We're going to draw a line that comes down, two little lines like this that come down close to his nose but don't connect. Now we're going to connect these lines. So we're going to connect the left one down to his cheek like that. And over here, now we want to make sure that we're not connecting down too far. There you go. Then we're going to connect this side over to here. You want to make sure that you don't cross over the highlight. Yeah, keep going. You got it. We finished our Border Collie, Austin. We're ready to draw our next dog. We're going to draw a bulldog, or he kind of looks like a pug too. We're going to draw his nose first. So we're going to repeat the same step. We're going to draw a V like that. And I'm drawing it right, kind of right in the middle. Yeah, right there. Yep, and then connect the top. Then we're going to draw a big circle, a big oval for his nose. So we're going to come around like this and then back in like that. So start at the top right here, and you can draw a circle that comes around and then connects over to the other side. Yeah, there's his nose. Then we could draw his mouth. We're going to draw a line that comes up like this and then back down. Upside down V. And then we can connect those two, the nose and the mouth. And then let's add a little U for his tongue sticking out. All of our dogs have tongues sticking out. Then let's draw his eyes. We're going to draw a circle on each side. So we're going to draw one over here. And I'm drawing them so that they connect to his nose. And one on the other side. Yeah. I like it.
Shape.
I like that shape. Ooh, those eyes are going to be huge. I like them. Then let's draw the small little circle in the top right. Just like we've done on all our puppy eyes. And then we're going to color in the big circle one more time. Leave the little one white. Now we can draw his head. We're going to draw a U shape that goes from the left side of his eye, underneath his chin, all the way over to the right side. Yeah, so just go right under his mouth. There you go. And then up on the right side. All right. Now let's draw his ears. We're going to draw smaller U's. One right here and one on the right side. Then let's connect right here. We're going to connect his head in between his ears. And then let's draw his ears, the top of his ears, into the top of his head. Now let's draw his body on top of our Border Collie. So we're going to draw those same U shapes right here. We're going to draw them touching the top of the Border Collie's head. So 2 U's for his front paws. Then we're going to draw the 2 little toe lines on each foot. Then we're going to draw his body. But watch this. We're just going to draw his body that connects right into the ears. Now on this one, we're going to draw his tail. See how we drew the tail on the right side? This one, we're going to draw the tail on the left side. Now this dog has more of a hot dog shaped tail. Oh, I like it. You know what? And I want to draw him with a spot. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes down his forehead and then also over here on his cheek. He's going to have a spot on his eye. All right, we got one more dog to finish, and that's our husky up on the ceiling. We're going to finish his chin. We're going to draw a curve that connects his left cheek over to his right cheek, his 2 cheeks. Then we're going to draw. Okay, we barely got enough room right there for his paws. So if you want, let's just draw. I'm going to draw 2 lines like this right next to each other. And then let's draw another one over here. Now these paws are going to be behind the puppy, so we don't really see much. So you could draw right here. Just draw another one right next to that one. Just draw 4 lines. All right, now let's draw the outside of our husky's body. Well, it kind of looks like our puppy stack is going to tip over. Mine looks like it's going to fall over. Now we got a tail on the right. Tail on the left. Let's add one more tail on the right. So we're going to draw another line that comes out like this. Make sure you don't go over the fold.
Okay.
Stay below the fold. There you go. And then we're going to draw a zigzag line that comes back in. All right, awesome. We're almost done. We got to just add those zigzags right here, just like we did down here on our first puppy. Yeah, connect it in. Awesome, we did it. We finished our puppy stacks. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we still need to color them. They're gonna look so much better colored in. This part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our puppy stack, and they turned out awesome. Yours is my favorite. Should we show our friends what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, boop! I love your puppy stack, man. I love all of your puppies, but which one is your favorite?
This one.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
The border collie? I love that one. Now, I think my favorite is the bulldog, especially on yours. I love the eyes. Now, I hope you guys at home are gonna pause the video right now to match the same coloring. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your puppies with us. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours, right?
Yeah.
Because what's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.